today's assembly on resilience. Resilience is one of our school values. Respect, collaboration, resilience, friendship, excellence and responsibility. So what does resilience mean? Resilience is the ability to bounce back and cope when things go wrong. When you face challenges, you're able to hold your head up high and keep on trying. Sometimes there are things that may knock our confidence, and it is our resilience that will enable us to move forward. There are certain things we can do to help us improve our resilience. One of them is humour. Laugh it off. We all make mistakes sometimes. And don't let everything get you down. Not everything can be perfect at all times. Try distraction. Take a break. When things get complicated, take a break and think about something else. There's always someone to talk to. Hope. It may look bad, but you'll get through this. When you're having a bad day, always remember tomorrow is a new day and always a fresh start. It's important that we always remain positive. Acceptance. Try to accept things. Don't worry and relax. Sometimes there are things that are out of our control. We have to put it into perspective. Flexible thinking. It's important to have flexible thinking. You could be right, but there could be another way to look at things. And think about what you can do. It's always important to reflect.
With me, my love, I hope you'll always be right here by my side if ever I needed you. Oh my love, I will follow you. Will you follow me all the days and nights that we know will be? I will stay with you. Just one single tear in each passing year. With the dark, I see so very clearly now. All my fears are drifting by me so slowly.